This is freaking beautiful. The Blanchard Springs. The spring runs into the lake, where the lake was when you came in, and then that water is like an emerald green. Looks really cool. Oh man, this is like, doesn't look real. Looks like a fairy tale. It's crazy. Some old stairs over there from who knows how long ago those were built. Look at that. That just looks like a... Walk up this way a little bit more. What's up with slippery Z? It's like a, almost like a mist or like a fog coming off the water. I wonder if it's warm. It might be warm. Arkansas is known for hot springs. Man, this is awesome. I wonder where those little stairs go to. Maybe you go up there. I don't want to go too far back here because father-in-law and Mike are back there, which I'm sure Doug will come back this way. I don't know if Mike wants to do that much walking now. He'd have to get his cane out. Oh my gosh, this is just insane. The one day I don't bring the GoPro, but at least I got the camera. Excuse me. I'm gonna swallow the bug. Well, a bug flew into my mouth. Oh, that's crazy. Oh wow, that is awesome. That is awesome. It almost looks like there's more stairs, like right there. It's crazy. Well, there's some right here. But that is amazing. Wow. Yeah, I'll record this so that way y'all can pause and read that if you want to. This is awesome. I bet there's some big trout in here too. Well, I don't know if the camera's picking up the craziness of the color of this water, but it is awesome. You can fish here too, that's pretty cool. Here's where it goes over the dam right there. That is cool.